I will try to make this course as different as possible from any other course on this subject. And the reason being is because I've seen so many courses that are over cluttered with details. They give you so much theory and useless information, and almost no practical lessons, that I decided to actually make an exception and give you as little theory as possible, and as many examples as possible as well, because in the end what matters is not how many trading books you have read, but how you can actually apply the knowledge, and how you can take advantage of certain opportunities on the market. So on this screenshot you can see reasons why most traders fail, and some of the most common ones are greed, fear, no patience, no goals, too many details. I want to actually stop by here and again share my frustration with how many traders are out there that are looking for a holy grail strategy. They're reading absolutely everything online, and they tend to spend as little time as possible on practicing this knowledge, or trying to get more practical as well. So this is one of the major reasons why there are so many people who are actually struggling to find profitable way to trade the markets. And the trading strategy that I'm going to reveal is in accordance to my first trading system, which I'm using at this time, and I've never changed a thing in it. This is just an additional trading system which a lot of you will find very beneficial, especially when it comes to reading pure price action, and because what is supply and demand, it's pretty much where the price action and how price action reacts to certain levels. So having said that, again, I won't spend too much time on many details. There is a trading manual which again has quite a bit of information, but I also have included some examples there as well to make it more visual, so you can actually grasp the meaning of supply and demand zones, and move on to the important part of the course. So I won't hide it from you. It would have been much easier to just copy and paste some information online on supply and demand, but I came up with my own unique trading system, and it is something that you most likely won't find on another trading resource, or you'll just find a very similar trading strategy. So just to continue with the list, there are 3 more points. Again, another reason why a lot of the traders are failing is because they can't take a loss, and you should realize that actually in trading it is just absolutely crucial to know where to take a loss, and you should have pre-written rules. In other words, don't risk more than 1% of your equity. This is something that I'm sure that a lot of you have heard of, but I'm not sure how many of you are actually applying in your trading. So that's something that you usually learn through bad practice, but if you can remember this little bullet point here, it would, and try to practice it, that will actually make a tremendous difference in your trading. And the next point in why traders are failing is consistency, and this is something that a lot of especially intermediate traders, I wouldn't say beginner traders, are trying to actually achieve, is being consistent over the long term, because maybe some of you have experienced to have periods of downtime, and periods where you're actually making a lot of money very quick, but then usually those periods are followed by periods of losing. So consistency again is a great way to regulate your P&L and to actually have a profitable trading overall. And a lot of people are talking about it, but not so many are actually showing you how to achieve that. So that's something that I will actually spend some time on as well. And last but not least, for sure, is money management, and that's also it goes hand in hand with consistency, and you need to have a very precise way how to know where to actually take profits, where to cut your losses short. And in this course I'll be showing you examples and walking you through quite a few of them that are showing risk-reward ratios of 1 to 5, 1 to 10, and in my opinion that's where the profitable trading lies. I've received so many questions from traders asking me, oh okay, so what is your win ratio, how many trades are you winning, and in how many trades are you losing. That's actually for me it's absolutely irrelevant, because even if you have 95% winners but then you have one big loser, then it could evaporate all of your winnings at this time. So just try to stick to higher risk to reward ratios, and this course is actually going to show you how to do that. So I hope you guys will enjoy the next few chapters, and if you have any questions you can always email me at admin@calibritrader.com, and I will make sure that there will be no unanswered questions. Thank you.